Dr. Poop's English Lab. In the morning. Good morning, Dr. Poop. Wake up. Dr. Poop.
I'm still sleepy.
We're late.
Aha! I have nice idea. On! Ta-da! Morning helper robot! My genius robot is ready! Go, my genius robot!
Brush,
Whoa!
brush,
Whoa!
brush. Wash your face. Wash your face. Get dressed. Get dressed. Get dressed.
Stop the robot. Doctor, are you okay?
I'm ready. Maybe.
Dr. Poop's English Lab. Clean up the room. Oh no, so messy. Help, please.
What's wrong?
I want to clean up.
Aha! I have nice idea. On! Ta-da! Yellow ball cleaner! Try this!
Wow, so fast.
All done!
Thank you so much.
Oh my goodness!
We need to clean again. Thanks for watching. See you later.